That's a better. Oh, now I have a good. Yeah, there they are. Bill and Nelson sailing. Beautiful Saturday afternoon in Coos Bay, Oregon. There they go. Oh, what a beautiful tack. We're waiting for you Laverty brothers to come out here and sail with your brother Bill. He'd love to take you out. We tried to get Gary out this last summer, but he took ill and missed out on a lot of sailing. Maybe next summer. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, these fellas, Bill and Nelson, they sail every Friday and Saturday, and it's quite affordable here to dock the boat and have a small boat. It's very fun for them. Sometimes I get brave and go out with them. But oh, that's a beautiful sail. Bill was whining because he said there wasn't much of a wind today. They're tacking again. I think that is so pretty. I hope you guys don't mind my little amateur video here, but you'll get the point. How cute. I really ought to get a tripod. At least I could get this thing to stay still. It's cold here today. It's probably about 40, but we never get snow, and it's been a gorgeous, clear, sunny week. Very pretty week. Oh, they're tacking again. Oh, how pretty that is. Yeah, they're diehards. They're the ones that are out in any kind of weather practically. And all this little society down at the dock, they carry on about Bill and Nelson. It's pretty here. Just gorgeous. This is the inner bay of Coos Bay. And they're usually pretty safe out there in the inner bay, as long as they don't go over the bar. Oh my goodness, there it goes. That's a very, very good angle. Yeah, it's quite the life here. There's so much to do, sailing and rock climbing, and we just did a wonderful long hike today. A little bit of adventure. There's always lots of adventure here, especially living with Bill. Life is just one big adventure. There he goes, tacking again. Oh, isn't that pretty? And they're a very good team. Bill handles the sails and Nelson handles the steering. I'll wait until they come around one more time. I think they're doing a few maneuvers for us. Ooh, my hands are getting cold. There they go. It's cold out here today. This is just unusual to be this chilly. But then by the bay it's always cooler. Well, I guess the wind is not cooperating to get them to turn.